What is love that is being described in Bhagavad Gita? The word is bhakti, which translates from bhakti, Bhakti, that translates to English as an unalloyed, loving, devotional service unto God. Unalloyed. So the difference between lust and love is described in Bhagavad Gita. Lust is about me. What is in it for me? WIIFM. How do I gratify my senses? Love is about how can I please you? How can I gratify your senses? And the love, the bhakti, the highest love is love for God. And that love for God is devoid of personal motivation. It's causeless, unconditional, it is pure, unalloyed love. Loving service unto God. So it's not just I sit in a corner and cry, but we serve. Serving God by serving His creatures, learning about God, loving each other, respecting all varieties of creatures made by God, not just humans, but animals, plants, environment. Everything has been created by God. So if we love God, how can we not love His creations? So that's the value, that's the more HD definition of love that has been described in the Bhagavad Gita. I wanted to share that. Thank you.
Yes.
And can I just